Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO X60 Pro. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and then allow. After that, go with Receive on Vivo and Send on an Android. Now you need to click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a lot of time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Just send and click on Got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or just scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Vivo. Choose while using the app or only this time and point your Vivo's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it though, you can always go into, for example, App Files, choose in my case Images and tap on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!